What's good, people? How are you doing? Hope you're doing good. So today I'm going to show you guys how to pat knotless braids and how to make knotless braids. So let's get into the video. So right now I'm just combing my hair, and now you're gonna pat the hair right down the middle into, just like I did, like that. And now you're gonna use elastic bands or scrunchies or whatever you choose to use to hold down one part. Try to pat the hair in rectangular shapes, like that. You're gonna try, if you have a mirror, it would be much easier to do this. So just try to pat it in a rectangular shape, and you can use elastic bands to hold that part, or you can just braid it like I did. And this is me showing you guys how to do it again. So pat it in a rectangular shape and braid it down or use elastic bands. So you're gonna do this to every part. This is how it's looking like after I had done that to everywhere. So yeah. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take one part. You're going to part it in sections. I parted mine in 2 sections. So after doing that, I am going to take my braiding hair. This is not pre-stretch braiding hair. I just, cut it in the size that I wanted, and yeah. So now you're going to split one section of the hair in 3, and you're going to use that to start your braiding. So you're just going to braid it like that and try to make it firm so it doesn't look, it looks neat and all that. And you're just going to continue braiding it. I braided mine 4 times, then added my braiding hair in, and I'm going to continue braiding that. I braid that I think 4 times again, and I'm adding another braiding hair to it, and I'm just going to continue repeating the same process until I have gotten to the length that I want. Give me the key and inside you set me free. Now I'm slipping, now you got me losing my mind. Give you all to me. You be my nigga for life, yeah. Be my nigga for life, yeah. So you're just gonna try to make it firm and neat, and just continue braiding. Continue adding braiding hair if you're not satisfied with the length, and just continue braiding it till you're done with the whole hair. So this was after I was done braiding the whole hair. So now I'm just trimming out, all the flyaways and all that stuff. So now I'm going to show you guys how to use this. My mom calls this relax. I don't really know the name, but I'll leave that in the description. So yeah, I'm going to use this to coil the ends of this hair, and I'm just going to twist that in like that and roll it till I get to the point where the hair extension ends. Now I'm going to use this is more like a hook, so there's nothing really special, just hook it in and you're done. Give me the key and inside you set me free. So I'm doing the same thing, combing out the hair, and I'm just rolling it into this. And I'll roll it up till I get to where the hair extension ends. And now I'm going to use this pin to hook it right where the hair ends to the other side, like that. And yeah. So this is how it's looking. I really loved how it ended up. It looks very coily and bouncy, those bouncy coils, very nice. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.